about drop shipping. Drop shipping is pretty much you not physically having to own any of these products, but being able to sell them online on your own website as if they were yours. And when somebody buys these products, you get paid. And the best part about it is you don't have to store any of these products. You don't have to do any of the work. You don't have to make sure any of the products work. You don't have to worry about customer service. Why? Because these companies do it all for you. And if you do want to get into drop shipping, one of the main websites you go to is called Alibaba.com. And like I said, I can make videos on this, okay? I can make videos on this. So pretty much how Alibaba works is you can buy, say this little lipstick right here, this very first one, or even say this shirt, or even say these batteries. Okay, let's go with the shirt. So what you can do is you can buy, I don't know where we went, let's see. Okay, so what you can do is you can buy a shirt like this. This jacket is going for $4.20. Okay, $4.20. What you can do is you can buy this jacket. You can buy this jacket and sell it for 20, 30, 40, 50 bucks, 60, sometimes even 70 bucks. So you're buying this for $5, selling it for 70, making a $65 profit for each jacket you sell. So if you buy 10 of these, it only costs you less than $50. Okay, less than $50, and you can make more than $500. Okay, so my thing is, not only does dropshipping have a lot of potential, but I can break down how to do dropshipping. I can break down how to get started in dropshipping. This is an example of a suit. Suits go for $300 to $400 a piece. You can get them on here for $50. And like I said, it's a 3-piece suit. Right here, 3-piece suit. So it's one of those things where you can buy this suit for $50 and then resell it for $300, $400, $500. And like I said, each one tells you the ratings on it, tells you the processing time, and it has different makes and different models. You can do, different sizes, and if you don't know the size, this is a little chart, and it just tells you everything that you need, and it's pretty easy to get started with your order. And if you have any questions, you click this chat button right here. And well, I'm not logged in, but you can start asking them questions. You can learn everything that you want to know about the product, where it's at, how fast you can get there, how much it's going to cost you, and everything that you want to know simply by just doing the research. And like I said, if this is something that you guys are interested in or want me to make more videos about, just let me know, because I definitely can do it. And the reason why I'm talking about this and bringing this up now is because this is the perfect time of year. You can buy these men custom sweatsuits for, 12, how much was it? For $6 to $12 and sell them for 30, 40, 50. And it starts to add up. There's different shapes, different sizes. Some of them you can even put your logo. That's what they're called, white labeling. So you can put your own logo, Moe's sweats right here. And I can sell these for $30 each. Buy them for 10, sell them for 30. I'm making $20 profit each sweat that I sell. Okay, so my thing is there's a lot of options and a lot of potential. And like I said, if you guys are interested, give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll make more about it.